Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are discuss about the practicals from pharmaceutics 2. So in previous sessions we discussed about the incompatibility. There are total 3 types of incompatibility: physical, chemical and therapeutic. So now let's discuss about the chemical incompatibility. Chemical incompatibility may be a result of chemical interactions between the ingredients and a toxic or inactive product. It may be formed. The chemical incompatibility is of two types, that is, first one, tolerated and adjusted. In this the chemical interaction can be minimized by changing the order of mixing or mixing the solutions in the dilute forms, but no alteration is made in the formulation. And second, that is adjusted. In this chemical interaction can be prevented by addition or substitution of one of the reacting ingredients with the another of equal therapeutic value. Then precipitate yielding interactions. The precipitate formed due to the reaction between strong solutions may be diffusible or indiffusible. The method A and B is followed. So let's discuss in detail about method A and method B. Method A, which is for the diffusible precipitate, divide the vehicle into the two equal portions, dissolve one of the reacting substance in one of the portion and the other in the other portion. Mix the two portions by slowly adding one to the other. Method B, in this case, which is for indiffusible precipitate, dissolve the vehicle into the two equal portions, dissolve one of the reacting substance in one portion, weigh a suitable quantity of compound tragacanth powder, that is 2 grams per 100 ml, and transfer in a mortar and use the part of second portion of the vehicle to produce the smooth mucilage. Then add the other reacting substances, mix the two portions by slowly adding one portion to the other. So now let's move towards actual experiment. Experiment number 93. Title of this experiment is to identify the type of incompatibility and perform accordingly. Proposition 1. Ferric salicylate is soluble in solution of sodium bicarbonate, carbon dioxide is liberated and the clear mixture is formed. Learning objectives are to understand the reaction of ferric salts with the salicylates to form ferric salicylate and the preparation of a clear mixture, and the ability to prepare methodically the given formulation. Apparatus required are beaker, glass rod, measuring cylinder, mortar pestle, funnel, cotton wool, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 10 upon 150, that is equal to 0.066. Let's discuss about the prescription, that is which is denoted by the symbol Rx. We have the prescription given in the Latin terminology. Let's discuss in detail about the formula table. Type, that is category, use or role of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient. We have the quantity given in the imperial system as the formula is given in Latin terminology. Quantity given in metric system for preparing 150 ml and quantity taken in metric system for preparing 10 ml. Sodium salicylate used as an analgesic antipyretic. Quantity given in imperial system is drachm I, that is drachm. 1 drachm is 4 into 1 is equal to 4 gram. Taken quantity should be 0.26 gram. This quantity should be calculated with the help of factor. Sodium bicarbonate used as an antacid. Quantity given drachm 2. So 4 into 2, that is 8 gram. Quantity taken quantity is 0.52 gram. Liquor ferric perchloride, which is used to remove the impurities. Quantity given in imperial system is minim 15. Roman 15, XV stands for Roman 15, 10 and 5, so 15. So 0.06 into 15, that is 0.9 ml. Quantity taken should be 0.0594 ml. Water used as a vehicle. Quantity given is add ounce Vj, ounce 30, V means 5, J ml. So 30 into 5, that is 150 ml. Add 150 ml of water, and for preparing the 10 ml, we have to take the quantity sufficient up to 10 ml. Direction: 1 tablespoonful to be taken 3 times a day as directed by physician. Stepwise procedure: weigh sodium salicylate and sodium bicarbonate accurately and dissolve in half the quantity of the water. Then add the ferric chloride solution and allow the effervescence to cease. Then third, filter through the cotton wool and pass sufficient water through the filter to make up the volume. And then fourth one, transfer to a bottle, cork it, attach prepared label and submit. Use of preparation used in the treatment of rheumatism and antacid. Result: 10 ml of the mixture is submitted in plain glass bottle for inspection with special instruction on label as store in cool and dark place. As we seen in this particular type of mixture, the chemical incompatibility is seen, and to overcome that particular chemical incompatibility we have to use the method A, that is by dividing the quantity of solvent in the half part, we will dissolve that particular solute into it, and then with the proper agitation, proper mixing, proper stirring, we can achieve the proper formation of proper mixture and overcome that particular incompatibility. Thank you.